Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you some of my essentials for making polymer clay jewelry. You might need a notebook for this one. Most of these things are from Hobby Lobby or Amazon, so make sure to check your local Hobby Lobby, or you don't have to leave your house at all because I'll be posting Amazon links to all of these things in the description. First up, we have some cookie cutters. These are the designs that I use cookie cutters for. These are clay cutters from a couple of Etsy sellers. I'll make sure to link their stores in the description for you guys. I highly recommend all of these. These are a few shapes that I use to make different designs on my shop. I love using cutters because it makes everything so much easier. You get perfect results every time. This shape is my most used shape. I love this shape so much. I might use it a little bit too much. Next, I have my toolbox to hold some of my hand tools, like my extruder. This is a must. It will make your life so much easier, trust me. Sorry, mine's a little dirty. And these little metal discs are used to make different size lines. Here are some designs I use the extruder for. The precision knife is literally my best friend. I use it on every piece of jewelry I make, whether it be to cut or shape. It's probably one of my favorite tools. This is actually a nail dotting tool. Oops, mine is broken. That shows you how much I use this thing. But it still works, so there's no need to buy another one. The steel blade cutter. I use this to cut straight lines. That's about it, but definitely an essential. You're gonna need this. Next is my rolling pin. I recommend you have one for rolling out certain things, small pieces of clay, but for mixing big pieces of clay, you're gonna need this. This is a pasta roller. I know you've seen it everywhere. It is essential. This is an essentials video, but you have to have this. It will save you hours. Mine is either from Joann's or Hobby Lobby, I forgot, but you can get it off Amazon. Pro tip, invest in a good one. If you get the cheap ones, I'm telling you it's gonna break. Do not buy them. Trying to warn you now. Do not make the same mistake I did. Next is pepper. Yes, pepper. We use pepper to make a speckled design. It's really beautiful. I'll show you. I literally love it. I know someone's gonna ask, no, the earrings don't smell like pepper after you bake them. We love saving money. We all have pepper in the kitchen. Use it. Next is my Dremel tool. Every professional clay maker has one of these. We use it to smooth out the edges of the clay after baking it and to make those perfect small holes. It will take your jewelry from DIY to professional work. I highly recommend. This is my mini scale for packages because you need to know the exact weight for shipping. These are super cheap on Amazon. These are some super cute thank you stickers. You can put them inside or outside of your packages. I think it's super important to thank your customers for their business. Next, we have packaging tape. This one's self-explanatory. Next on the list is my Dymo printer. I know it's a bit on the expensive side, but if you plan on making this your real business in the future, you're going to need this, trust me. There are some cheaper options, but this one is easy to use, saves so much time, and you just need it. Trust me! Invest in yourself and in your business. Next, we have plastic organizers. Mine are actually from the dollar store. I use these to organize my ready-to-ship earrings in my earring drawers. I know I keep saying you need this, but these I cannot stress enough. You need them. I honestly don't know what I would do without these. You gotta have these. This is an earring display from Amazon. You can use these when taking photos of your designs. Super useful. Here's another plastic organizer that I use to hold my small metal posts and rings. We'll get more into these later. Next, I have E6000 glue, Loctite glue, and earring display cards. These are jewelry pliers. And these are clear bags for shipping. After putting the earrings on the display cards, you slide these into these clear bags to protect the earrings when you ship them. All of my gold and silver pieces are from Hobby Lobby. They're nickel-free, hypoallergenic, and affordable. Now the fun part, clay. This is my clay scrap box. After I open my clay, I put it in here just to keep up with it. You don't have to store clay in a sealed container because it doesn't dry out, but I just have them in here for organization purposes. I only use two brands, Sculpey Primo and Fimo Soft. They're great quality, easy to work with, and I love them. I should be sponsored by them, really. Do they even do that? I don't know, but these are great. I usually get mine from Hobby Lobby because it's always on sale, but you can find it online too. The baking instructions are conveniently always on the side of the packaging. I remember there was a time when clay was so scarce, and I still have no idea why, but I remember I was in Hobby Lobby and I saw this block of white clay. It's called Igloo, and I almost cried. It was like finding gold because white is everyone's most used color. But here's the black one too. So guys, that's the end of my essentials. If you made it this far, please comment a white heart so I know you're a real one. If you have any questions on how I use any of these items, please leave a comment down below and I'll answer you there. Or I might even make a whole video about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.